Hey guys, what's up? This is Lakshya back here after a long time. I hope you really missed me. Anyways, today in this video we are going to talk about the Realme Narzo 20 series. I'm going to let you know everything about this series. So, welcome to Phone Politics and let's get started. Well, wait. Before getting started, I want a favor from you. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from our channel. So let's get started. Realme Narzo 20 series includes Realme Narzo 20, Realme Narzo 20 Pro and Realme Narzo 20A smartphones. All are set to be launched in India on September 21st. The three smartphones are the successor of the Realme Narzo 10 series that was launched earlier this year. The company introduced the new Narzo range in March and the launch event saw several delays due to the pandemic. The Realme Narzo 10 series includes the Realme Narzo 10 and Realme Narzo 10A phones. However, Realme Narzo 20 series will include three variants of the phone as mentioned earlier. The company has set out launch invites for the Realme Narzo 20, Narzo 20A and Narzo 20 Pro phones on September 21st. The digital launch event is set to begin at 12:30 p.m. The event will be live streamed on Realme's social media handles, its Twitter, its Facebook and YouTube. The invite reveals little about these three upcoming Realme handsets. All of the three Realme phones are set to run on Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. According to Realme, it says that it will be one of the first manufacturers to adapt to the latest Android 11 software. That's insane. Furthermore, all about these phones are teased to come with best-in-class segment gaming processor and trend-setting design. Past leaks suggest that the Realme Narzo 20 may come in 4 plus 64GB as well as 4 plus 128GB storage variants. The Realme Narzo 20A, on the other hand, is likely to come in 3GB plus 32GB and a 4GB plus 64GB storage variants. Both the models are tipped to come in the same Glory Silver and Victory Blue color versions. I think Realme loves them a lot. Anyways, moving ahead, Realme Narzo 20 Pro is expected to feature 6GB plus 64GB and 8GB plus 128GB storage options. The Realme Narzo 20 Pro is rumored to come in Black Ninja and White Knight shades. I think that's gonna be really exciting. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys really liked the video, and if you really liked the video, again go ahead and give it a like. Do share this video and please drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Also guys, I'm not going until you subscribe.